मैं ऐसे मुंडी निकाल निकाल करके ऐसे देख रही हूँ कौन है, आई हैड नो क्लू लाइक दे ऑल आर फ्रेंड.
So like, like I am bestie with her, not with you. Like something, hi, good luck, damn bestie, you're doing great, yay, we are best friends. When I coming, you're in this class, we're excited to have you because you're the topper and all.
मैं 1 घंटे से कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मुझे अपने बाल को कैसे ठीक ठाक रखना है.
सीरियसली मैं मतलब मेरी पूरी एनर्जी लॉस हो गई इस हेयर को संभालने में. So fringy. Anyway, guys, today's topic is so freaking interesting. I've changed so many schools in my lifetime. Yes, I am the girly who didn't like yesterday but like to change the school. And my upbringing has so many chaotic stories when it comes about friendship, when it's come about studying. So I'm a little bit confused about should I be wearing this optical or not. Like, seriously, man, does it look good? I think it does kind of look good. But I'm just going to spill this much tea in this video. I'm not going to let you know everything that has happened, but हाँ मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी when I changed my schooling from going to village school to try to fix myself in a शहर or like city kind of school, and what does it happen with me? Like seriously, man, it was kind of like not bully, but it was kind of like mental torture that I went through, and I learned my lessons so very well that it is still helping me when it comes about friendship, when it comes about changing schooling. And स्टोरी को बताने से पहले मुझे ये बताना पड़ेगा मेरा बैकग्राउंड. सो या आई एम बॉर्न इन विलेज और मेरी स्कूलिंग कोई इतनी अच्छी तो नहीं रही है ऐसी खास, बट फ्रॉम यूपी, सो ऑब्वियसली हिंदी बोर्ड इज वेरी कॉमन ओवर हियर. मेरे गांव में ना एक ऐसे स्कूल खुला हुआ था इंग्लिश मीडियम टाइप, एंड आई took the admission in that school. And from there I was like, now I'm going to go like to Sahar, like to study in a city school, which is the best school called, which was like UP board in Hindi. So I wanted to take the admission over there because I've heard a lot, and also my sibling, not my sibling, but also my cousin, she was studying in that school. And yes, used to go from the bus, so I had this kind of willness that हाँ मुझे भी बस से जाना है, like मुझे भी बस से जाना है पढ़ाई करने. I literally always believe in myself that I deserve a best, like मुझे best हर एक चीज में चाहिए. लाइफ में कुछ भी हो जाए ना, मेरा कुछ भी उखड़ जाए, मुझे बेस्ट चाहिए लाइफ में, कुछ भी हो जाए. तो इस बिलीव पर मुझे लगा यार बेस्ट स्कूल से मुझे पढ़ना चाहिए, भले ही अब मुझे इंग्लिश मीडियम से हिंदी मीडियम में कन्वर्ट होना पड़े, बट मैं जा रही हूँ और मैं अच्छे से पढ़ाई करूंगी. एंड आई गिव द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम एंड आई वाज स्केयर ऑफ माय शिट. लेट मी टेल यू व्हाई, बिकॉज आई एम द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु loves over preparing. Like everything whatever is just happening, I'm going to prepare myself overly because I don't want to create the chaos. I don't want to be like self unconscious kind of person, like not being confident. I hate if I'm not confident. Like best thing about my life that I like about myself is my confidence. But the thing is that I overly prepared for that exam. Okay, somehow I got in that school. I was scared of my death because I was like, oh, in this school में like बड़े अच्छे अच्छे बच्चे आते होंगे और बहुत ज़्यादा टॉपर टाइप के बच्चे आते होंगे. They must be very educated. Their parents must be very educated, and their parents must be talking in English and all. And I do come from like village. How I'm going to survive in this chaotic lifestyle and all? Okay, this is what was going in my brain, and I was very kind of introverted and extroverted person at that time, and I could make a friend, but I wasn't like somebody who could be like, you, I'm giving you cake, so please be my friend, or like I'm going to give you the gift at your birthday, like whatever kind of pencil that you like, boom sakalaka like a pen, then please be my friend. Like I never liked that kind of friendship. Okay, and at that school at that time, oh my god, the freaking stuff that okay, I'm telling you a story when I was in sixth grade. Okay, so it is very normal that it does happen with every kind of a student. So I took the admission. So at that school there was like two thing. Okay, two kind of schooling that used to happening at that time, and it is still happening. So there were the one schooling like it was the ground floor, and then first floor, second floor, and third floor. So these all three floors were ours, like 6th to 12th grade, and also 1 to 5th was used to call a different kind of schooling. So a lot of students used to come from that schooling, so they were like they had their own group, and they मतलब वो पहले से ही फ्रेंड्स बने हुए होते थे, और जो बाद में उस ग्रुप में आता था उस स्कूल में, they had to face a lot of like discrimination and lot of like politics, not like politics at that age, what kind of politics I'm talking about, but a lot of like bully kind of stuff that used to happen. So a lot of neglection that you feel like, oh, this is not a very normal thing that used to happen in our brain, okay. So this is what happened. They completed their 5th grade and came to the 6th grade. So उनकी अपने से ही पहले फ्रेंडशिप बनी हुई थी, and they were damn good in study. Like when I'm telling you damn good, oh my god, damn good. Okay, मैं ऐसी like छात्रा थी in हिंदी, like who used to come last से मैं like second and third आती थी in 6th grade. Okay, वो बाद में सब कुछ बदल गया, मतलब मैं कॉलेज की टॉपर मतलब मैं कॉलेज की वन ऑफ मोस्ट फेवर्ड एंड टॉपर काइंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट बन के मैं निकली। बट मैंने बहुत चीज़ें वहाँ से सीखी, मैं बहुत रगड़ी तब ये हो पाया, बिकॉज़ स्टूडेंट्स वर रियली गुड एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल दैट आई वेंट इन दैट वेरी coexisting and suffocating situation, that I learned my lesson. It has been so helpful, okay? I had no clue like they all are friend. So whenever I try to approach somebody to make as my friend, it used to be so chaotic that
You're like, like I am bestie with her, not with you. Like something
like that kind of boo used to come to me, okay? And so there was one girl, let's call her
Hi
V, okay?
guys.
So she was the topper at um, like in their group. She like mastermind नहीं होते हैं, the boss kind of the person. She was the boss, and also her friend, let's call her, yes, she was like a mantri, okay? Raja and Mantri. I took the admission and I noticed like they were all besties and all, and just to hang out together, and I always felt like left out because I had some sort of people who could I have been a friend, but they were not good student. They were like not very self-aware and educated, and they were not hardworking. So I could never accept that. I like पहले ही मैंने बताया ना, I always think that I deserve a better and the best in the life. तो फ्रेंडशिप में कैसे हो सकता है कि मैं किसी अरे-गरे को ऐसे एक्सेप्ट कर लूँ? तो मेरा ये था नहीं भाई, मुझे उसी ग्रुप में रहना है और उसी में ही मुझे पलना है, मुझे पढ़ना है। उस ग्रुप की बात मैं बताऊँ तो उसमें लाइक ऑब्वियसली 15 से 16 बच्चे थे, और उसमें मैं बाहर से पता नहीं कैसे अटैच हो पाती। देयर वाज़ सो मेनी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कि ऐसा नहीं होता कि अपना बैग रख के ओह! मेरी फ्रेंड वहाँ बैठेगी, तुम नहीं बैठ सकते। तो क्या होता था, यू हैव टू सिट अलोन एट बैक रो। दैट वाज़ लाइक सो फ्रिकिंग मेस्ड अप कि मतलब भाई मैं बस से 1 घंटे चल कर के आ रही हूँ, लाइक चल कर के इन द सेंस समय लग रहा है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप बैग रख कर के बोलोगे मेरी फ्रेंड यहाँ बैठेगी, तो फिर मेरी फ्रेंडशिप की क्या, मैं किसके पास जाऊँगी? लाइक आई डोंट इवन हैव अ फ्रिकिंग फ्रेंड, ओके? तो मुझे फ्रेंड बनाने के लिए किसी के पास तो बैठना पड़ेगा ना उस ग्रुप के अंदर जितने बच्चे हैं। इट यूज्ड टू लाइक दैट, और वो एकदम भाई नेम प्लेट सब लोग चिपका कर रखते थे, यहाँ पर यही बैठेगी। दैट यूज्ड टू हैपन विद मी। एंड so वो जो like the queen we when she came to take a admission, okay, भाई ऐसा लग रहा था कोई मतलब वो लड़की आती है eventually and she is there to take admission with her parents and all। जो ऑफिस था और मेरी क्लास था वो सामने सामने ऐसे like it was facing to each other, okay। तो वो लड़की ऐसे निकलती है और ऐसे लगता है भाई शाहरुख खान निकल रहे हैं किसी रूम से। पीपल आर लाइक, मैं they are like shouting and cheering.
hi, hi, good luck, damn bestie, you're doing great. Yay, we are best friends. When I coming, you're in this class. Very excited to have you because you're the topper and
Or and now I'm a freaking shocked. Like seriously, I'm shocked. I'm like, who the hell is in this like school? Like कौन ऐसा आ गया है कि
Hi
पूरी क्लास
guys.
ऐसे मतलब लिटरली मैं बता रही हूँ, लोग अपने कुर्सियों उर्सियों के छोड़ करके फेंक करके भगे थे उस लड़की को सिर्फ देखने के लिए, हु इज द टॉपर एंड ऑल। एंड आई वन, और फिर मैं ऐसे मुंडी निकाल निकाल करके ऐसे देख रही हूँ कौन है लड़की, एक बार तो मुझे दिख जाए जिसके like nobody is accepting me as friend, because she was the a leader and she had to say like
Okay, they can be friend. She's a good person. We are having her in our group. Okay, she can be a best friend.
और मैं अब बाद में बताऊंगी भाई उसके बर्थडे पर मैंने क्या गिफ्ट किया था जिसलिए वो मेरी दोस्त बन पाई। वो अलग स्टोरी के लिए मैं रखती हूँ, लाइक मैं उस स्टोरी के मतलब मैं बताऊंगी कभी भी, नेवर एवर ट्राई टू प्लीज समबडी इन योर फ्रेंडशिप। I've learned my lesson. Those who want to stay, they'll stay with you no matter what you do with them. Those who want to leave, they'll leave you no matter what how much you do for them. Like seriously, even if you can give like 1,000 rupees, 10,000, how many lakhs you give, if they want to leave and they want to say you, oh, you are the baddest one, you did this to me and I don't want to stay, they'll never stay. They are going to always have the reason to not stay and make you feel insecure about yourself. Okay, so if you are the youngest than me and if you are going through something, some sort of trouble in your friendship, I'm saying to you, like, leave that person alone. So then I saw her and I'm like, okay, she's the leader. It means she's the leader. Or bhai, to make the friendship with her, I had to prove myself that I am in top five, student in my class, and we can become a friend. Because when I proved myself that I'm good student and I didn't give a f about them, when I didn't give them attention and all, they eventually came to me and tried to please me and make me friend. And I was like, yeah, babe, that's what I wanted. Because इट वाज़ ऑल टॉर्चर, ओके। सो टू बिकम अ फ्रेंड इस लेवल, इस हद तक मैं सीख गई थी कि कैसे मुझे हैंडराइटिंग लिखनी है लीडर की एंड टॉपर की, सो दैट आई कैन बिकम द फ्रेंड विद देयर ग्रुप एंड ऑल। मैं हमेशा लास्ट रो में बैठ रही हूँ, लास्ट के सेकंड एंड थर्ड रो में, एंड आई हैव नो फ्रेंड। और मैं वो जो क्लास के वो टाइप के बच्चे नहीं होते जो पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करते, उनके साथ में बैठ रही हूँ। देन हाउ कैन लाइक आई कैन बिकम अ गुड पर्सन एंड गुड स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज आई एम हियर टू लर्न एंड ग्रो एंड आई एम हियर टू हैव फन एंड माय टाइम। एंड अभी आप कहोगे कि लाइक मैं डिस्क्रिमिनेशन साउंड कर रही हूँ, नहीं भाई, मतलब मुझे अच्छा चाहिए तो उसके लिए मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा ना। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हाँ ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं, बट द थिंग इज ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि मतलब आई कैन नॉट सिट डाउन दोज काइंड ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस एंड स्टूडेंट दैट हु आर नॉट हैविंग अ गुड टाइम। उनको पढ़ने में मजा भी नहीं आ रहा है, उनकी अलग ही दुनिया चल रही है। ओके, द फर्स्ट टाइम आई ट्राइड टू बिकम हर फ्रेंड, ओके, आई sat down and I put my bag beside her chair, and I was like, okay, मैंने बैग रख दिया तो obviously I'm just going to sit down on this chair. Okay, she came and she was like she was like this, like, how dare to touch my bag? Like, okay, this is how she behaved, and I was like, how do I dare to touch your freaking bag? How do you dare to touch my bag whenever I put my bag first in a row and you put it back to the last of the row? Like, okay, literally, I became so angry. I was like, "Mm, fuck off, okay? This is going to be the last time that is going to happen." Then I went to the ma'am, like my class teacher, and I told her, I said, this is what is happening. I'm always sitting at the back of the row, and I'm sitting always with bad student, and I don't want to do that. I also want to sit on the first row. It doesn't matter that if somebody is the topper and if somebody is like becoming a class monitor and all and getting the first rank and second rank, it doesn't mean that she is always going to sit down in the first row and she's always going to be taking all kind of whatever kind of opportunities is getting. Like हमारी भी बनती है भाई, हम भी फर्स्ट पर बैठना चाहते हैं, सेकंड पर एंड थर्ड पर भी बैठना चाहते हैं. It doesn't mean that I have to sit down at the back of the row. And I went and I was angry about it. Then ma'am came. Okay, ma'am was like, अभी ना सभी लोग रोल नंबर से बैठेंगे और हर एक दिन रो ऐसे चेंज होते रहेगी. इट विल चेंज एवरी डे, एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. भाई वहां से रूल बदला, 6 से बदला, एंड टिल आई स्टडीड लाइक 9th एंड 10th ग्रेड इट यूज्ड टू हैपन. वहां का भाई रूल बन गया. मैं लिटरली बता रही हूँ, वहां का रूल बन गया. And I was very happy about it because now because ऐसे रोल नंबर बनते हैं ना, ए बी 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 बी, तो क्या हुआ ना, उसमें उन लोग की जो ग्रुपिंग थी वो टूट गई. लाइक अब जो वो उनके मंत्री एंड राजा एंड लीडर थे वो साथ में नहीं बैठ सकते थे, बिकॉज एज एंड वी लाइक सीरियसली मैन, एंड दे हैड टू सिट डाउन बगल बगल में. अभी उनका मिक्स मैच हो गया था पूरे ग्रुप का. उन लाइक दे ऑल लाइक 15 स्टूडेंट एंड आल्सो अस, अगर कोई बाहर से आया रहा होगा, like we 15 student, we all started to sitting together. And the girl who told me how to dare to touch my bag, she had also name from A, so we used to sit down together. Okay, and her bestie used to also called as Arpita. ओके, उसकी तो भाई अलग ही कहानी है. मैं वो किसी और वीडियो में बताऊंगी कितना मुझे लाइक माय फ्रेंड्स आल्सो डोंट नो दिस ऑल थिंग दैट आई वेंट थ्रू. Like how much trouble it used to give me every time people used to call Arpita, 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 give me that notes. And when I used to see like, yeah, she was like, they used to like, not you, I'm talking to her. What the f? Seriously man, भाई ऐसा मेरे साथ होता था. I've gone through a lot, and it is such a funny time. Like, and I've taught them their lessons. Okay, I didn't leave them like okay, goodbye. लीडर के आपने नोट्स लिए हैं, लीडर इन द सेंस उनके ग्रुप में से 7-8 जो लोग भी हैं, एंड यू डिडंट ब्रिंग दैट नोट, भाई it's your last day that you are saying the word. भाई इसके बाद में आपको strangle ही होने वाला है. You are going to like something is going to happen a bad to you. That's what it used to give a vibe. Okay, but seriously, man, I did so freaking hard work. मैं like this school teacher used to not give my brother a TC so that I could not leave that school, because they were like, oh, this is such a brilliant school, student, how can we? And yeah, I made my teachers so proud. I made my friends so proud, and I did eventually became the friend. But then after that, when I saw that I could become their friend, I left them because I was like, nah, now you need to stay grounded. I'm not that kind of student who is going to please you to make me your bestie. And I'll definitely let you know how I try to please the leader and all in another story. If you'll comment below, I'll make another story time what happened with me. So yeah, this was a little bit story and spill the tea kind of video. I wanted to let you know like what has happened with me. And if you guys are going through something, please let me know in the comment box. I'll give you the solution when it comes about friendship and all. I'm telling you, it's not big of a deal whenever you are going through something. But yeah, never ever please the bully. Never ever try to run behind the bully. Never ever like do any kind of shit. Don't even try to talk to them or try to become an enemy and all. If friends and enemies are going through something, I'm telling you one thing: just focus on your dream, focus on your work, try to become the best in your school, and they'll all come eventually behind your back. Okay, so that's all. That's the video for you today, and let me know what topic you would want to listen me, since I was at my house, so I thought I should definitely make the video about it. Okay, I should definitely yap about it. Bye bye, and lots love.